I already finished section 7 from stage 6 of Duolingo, and now I am able to discuss about current events. So in this section I was able to learn how to express my opinions and thoughts with my family, friends, and classmates, and even co-workers about the current events that happen around the world. So current events are things that and situations that happen to a specific country or more countries. So, for example, the news can talk about a natural disaster that happened to a specific country, or there are news that they talk about how two countries sign an agreement with each other to help each other, like in an economic way and on an education way, or another things that happen. So in this section I learned the different expressions and phrases that I can use to talk with my family, friends, or the people that I know, to ask them what they think about a current event that happened to a specific country. So for example, I can ask something like, I wonder if that story in the news is true. So you can ask yourself, and you can ask somebody if they believe that if that story or news is true or not. And there are more expressions like the earthquake of Japan was a terrible disaster. And someone can say, when I saw the news, I was wondering if everyone was okay. So in this case, we talk about the different natural disasters that can happen for a country, but there are news that they talk about the things that they will do, for example, for our states or departments, whenever is the internal division of your country. So there are news that they explain, like the mayor is going to open a new library, for example. So with these expressions and phrases I was able to talk about the things that are happening to a specific country, or more countries are involved, or I can even talk about the things that are happening on my country. So in this section, I think it's really important to learn, because you're able to discuss and you can even able to ask questions about the current events that are happening around the world. And for me, this section was really easy for me to learn.